Hey everyone, welcome to Timeless Tales English.
This is the podcast where you learn English through stories, real stories, emotional stories, the kind that stick with you.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel.
So get comfortable, grab your headphones, and just listen.
Today's story is called The Last Light in Apartment 409.
Let's begin. Story begins. Part 1. The Quiet Building. Emma, narration. The apartment building stood on the corner of Pine Street, old and tired, like it had seen too much life. The paint was peeling, the stairs creaked, the elevator barely worked.
Yeah, this place wasn't fancy, not even close.
Most of the apartments were dark at night, but there was one window that always had the light on. Apartment 409.
Every single night. No breaks, no days off.
Lena noticed it on her first week living there. She had just moved to the city. New job, new life, zero friends.
Classic fresh start energy.
She worked late. She came home tired. And every night when she unlocked the main door, she saw that same light.
At first, she didn't think much of it. People forget to turn lights off. It happens.
But weeks passed. Rainy nights, hot nights, cold nights.
And that light, still on.
Always the same room. Always the same yellow glow.
No movement, no shadows, nothing.
Lena asked the building manager one day.
Hey, who lives in 409?
The manager paused, just for a second.
Why?
Lena shrugged. I just noticed the light's always on.
The manager cleared his throat. Old tenant, keeps to himself.
That was it. No details.
And honestly, Lena should have dropped it.
But curiosity is a sneaky thing.
Part 3. The First Sign.
One night, the elevator broke again, so Lena took the stairs.
4th floor. Legs burning, mood already bad.
As she passed apartment 409, she slowed down.
The door was slightly open.
Just a crack.
Not wide, not dramatic, just enough to notice.
Inside, the light was on. Same yellow glow.
But the place was silent. No TV, no music, no footsteps.
Lena stood there, heart beating faster.
She thought, okay, this is creepy.
She knocked.
Knock, knock.
She waited.
Nothing.
That's when she noticed the smell.
Old paper, dust, time.
Part 4. The note. She was about to leave when she saw it.
A piece of paper, taped to the inside of the door.
Emma, reading slowly. If you see this light, please don't turn it off.
Yeah, that's when things went from weird to nope.
Lena stepped back.
Her brain was like, girl, mind your business.
But another part of her felt something else.
Not fear.
Sadness.
Part 5. The Old Man.
The next morning, Lena did something unexpected.
She Googled the address.
Apartment 409 belonged to Henry Cole.
Age 78.
Widowed. No family listed.
That night, Lena knocked again.
This time, the door opened.
Yes?
Henry was thin, pale, but his eyes were sharp.
He looked surprised.
Hi, I live downstairs. I just wanted to check if you're okay.
Henry smiled. A small one. I'm okay. Just waiting.
Part 6. The story behind the light. Inside, the apartment was simple. A chair, a table, one lamp.
That lamp.
Henry explained.
My wife used to come home late. Night shifts. I'd leave the light on so she could find her way.
His voice shook.
She's been gone 5 years, but I keep the light on anyway.
Lena sat quietly.
No advice, no awkward words.
Henry looked at her.
People think I'm strange, but that light, it reminds me I loved someone.
Part 7. The choice. Weeks passed.
Lena started visiting Henry.
They talked, shared tea, shared silence.
And one night, Henry said something unexpected. I think I'm ready to turn the light off.
Lena didn't rush him.
She just nodded.
Part 8. The Last Night. That night, Lena stood outside the building.
She looked up.
Apartment 409.
The light went off.
For the first time in years.
Part 9. After.
Henry passed away peacefully a month later.
At the service, Lena was the only neighbor there.
But something changed in that building.
More lights turned on.
More hellos, more kindness.
Sometimes one small light teaches us how to see others.
Outro discussion. So that was the last light in apartment 409.
A reminder that everyone has a story, even the quiet ones.
If you're learning English, listen again. Notice the rhythm, the pauses.
And remember, English isn't just words, it's feeling.
Thanks for listening to Timeless Tales English.
We'll see you in the next story.
Until then, keep listening.